back.
All right.
Bryce, you in?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
7 pips stop loss. See what
I
happens.
was gonna say you got stops on 1 hour low.
No,
it's
I'm
only
just
2
doing the
pips.
previous 15. Yeah,
Previous 15.
yeah. Like 7 pips.
We back? Yeah, we back. We back. Oh, how do you guys feel this 30-minute this 1 hour GG candle?
Yeah, man.
Said looks lovely. Bigger stops.
Like 7 pips. Previous 15.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Let's hope it's not a fake out. Let us see.
What's going on, guys? We're back. The internet went out on me. I said bye bye. I said hello, darkness, my old friend, and ditched. It's back though now. These aren't bad for the buys here for GJ on a 15-minute time frame at least. Anyone open? Should be some volume here coming in. We on gold here, guys. I'm staying on GJ for a bit. Gonna wait for gold to see how we react there. I want to see what's breaking this resistance here. Music on Zoom. What does that mean in Spanish? Music on spoon on Zoom, right?
Yeah, music on Zoom. Music for Zoom, please.
Yeah, we got leg day today, right?
Sir.
Rest in peace.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
ask Andre, man. My leg's been holding real well lately. The first 2 weeks,
Yeah?
not so really, but the last session last week,
Ooh.
bro, I killed that.
And after it.
Let's see how we do today, though.
I did legs yesterday, a home workout. It was, oof, that hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guess you doing some air squats over there, Don?
Some air squats.
Yeah. Nah, I got
Okay.
squats with
You're doing-
resistance bands or whatever.
I'm gonna
Andre,
take that, Don. You said
yeah.
air squats.
Andre,
Yeah.
take over.
No, air
man,
squats,
man,
bro.
do 100 of them. See if your legs don't hurt.
Leg day every day.
Man, every day I walk, it's a leg day.
And that closed back in the range. That's basically a paper trade right there. I might journal that up.
Yeah.
You just push it to the limit.
How many pips is that on gold? Oh yeah, that's a paper trade. I definitely want to journal that up in the paper trade section.
I think once GJ breaks this high here, around right here, it should be a free, like it should be clean as day towards the 150-950 mark. Cause that's completely clean traffic, right? I don't think there's anything stopping price in that area for you, Bryce.
Yeah.
You see, the sell we took earlier down here is exactly what I want to hear. This fake out back in the range, right? This is what we attempted down here, though. Didn't happen down here. It's happening here. It's fine.
That was the OG trade. That was the one I wanted before the buys played out.
Yeah. Oh, Andre, you could be getting your lower wick here, Andre.
You could be right both ways. It just goes to show you.
Yeah. So it's not doing GJ for a buy. Yeah, I'm saying no GJ. I want to see gold here. But I see GJ breaks these highs here. It might be a little bit something. the highs.
Looks like that GJ Daily wants to flip.
Daily? Oh yeah, it
Yeah,
does.
no top
It does,
hook.
it does,
Well,
it does, it does.
It wants to go for a ride.
So right now on your broker, guys, you guys are probably gonna see this is a perfect example of what gaps are. Right now on your broker, you probably see this on your screen, if I'm not wrong. That's what you see, right? There's a gap here. So as price is breaking above this resistance here, that's clean traffic, right? All that is, that gap is just a candle there. So when price comes to fill that range, it's just filling that range. It's just mirroring that same candle looking left, right? So that's what price is doing right now. I just never
Price
believed
is
in
locked in, focused.
break up price.
He's locked in.
Oh, man, that's funny. Right here, where you been the past couple weeks?
I've been sleeping, man.
Working out, eating good.
Yeah.
What time you go to sleep now? Like at 9?
I've been trading London and some Asian. No, for me, like 1:30 to 2 a.m. I couldn't really sleep last night, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna wake up.
You drew out that gold fake out? Hey, I wasn't there. My intent was out at that time, I think. I don't think I saw it. Ah, part 2 the streams, mean. Wow. This is the same exact trade we took earlier, I think. Same exact trade. How's the 1 hour look? 1 hour didn't break the lows yet. If this kind of flips bullish here, I believe we can get some buys going up to fill the range. I think above 1738. Oh, my favorite. I think 1738 here. Get more buys going up towards the 1742 mark, about a 4-pip range. Whose microphone is that?
You heard that?
No, it's good. It's not like you're underwater.
Is it okay now?
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Oh.
Like the everyday big fella, you need a new sound when price is 738. I'm trying to find it. I can't find it for some reason. I usually have a thing for it. 38. Can't find it. I can't find it. I don't know. You need that Elgato Stream Deck done? You think I don't have that? You think I don't have that, Mr. CJ?
Dang, big flex.
Here, I'll show you guys my Hey, what if I do like a little what if I do like a little hand cam instead for trading FX? Here, how do I do this? Make sure my desk is clean. You know, so this is my keyboard. Hey, this camera is low key kind of cool. This is my keyboard. This is my mouse. You know, just a Razer mouse. I got the Stream Deck on. Right. Then I got the keyboard. But I gotta add more function keys to this because it's kind of useless. I got these for the intros, outros, and the browser screen. But I think I'm gonna need I gotta add more stuff to that. Yeah. Then I got what is this? My phone mount. And then my water. That's basically it. That's all that is. I got it for free though. I think my girlfriend gifted me the Elgato Stream Deck. What I want though next is a new microphone. That's what I want. Is that the Ducky one? Yeah, it's a Ducky keyboard, man. Ducky Maya, 65% keyboard. Pretty cool. Got cherry switches on it, brown cherry. The chat isn't coming up on YouTube stream. You gotta refresh the screen, man. Refresh. Morning, Don. What's going on, Badred? Welcome to part 2 of the streams. Okay, so this is what we got right now, guys. So we have on the 1 hour time frame. You have this count coming down, coming very close to the previous 1 hour lows, right? So I want to see how price reacts here at the support, because if price were to break below 733, then you can look to come down towards 1728. Therefore, there's no bias for a day left. I think that'll be the last position. But let's see. Because I want to see you press and create support to continue back up, right? So let's say we find support, we close bullish at support. You then look for buyers to retest the highs again for the rest of the range, and then continuation above 1738 towards 1742. That'll be very clean. If this were to happen, my friend, you got a lot of entries to take. Yeah. 1 hour lows coming down and break the lows. It might flip again. Hey, who knows? This might be it. We might have solved it, Andre. After backtesting this for the past month or so and a half.
I'm gonna start calling it the nipple flick.
So something me and Andre been or us we've been backtesting for the past month or so, right? And what it was is that when you have a bond wick on a candle, right? Let's say for example this case, you don't have a bond wick here. Well, what we usually see happen is the next candle comes down to create that bond wick. I don't know why yet though. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know why. So I gotta figure out why that is the case. But what I've been realizing is that what I've been seeing is that price comes down to create that lower wick and then flips back up bullish again to continue on its its current trend. So so it's gonna work. So backtesting it, it's not really an entry or anything. It's just more of the observation of where price is gonna go in some situations. Damn, Bryce, you got some nice squeaky chair.
Yeah.
I want one so bad, bro. Do you stream?
Yeah.
Yeah, GJ. Yes, sir. Nice. Nice. I think I give entries. Where do I give entries at? Second channel. Around here. 7 pips of profit. Stops the break even. Nice. I give it as a signal here. In the signal channel. Gave GG buys here. TP stop loss given. TP is 150. This is a trade pretty much. Stop loss is it fits me at lows. And target was around this resistance here. Around there. So around 16 pip target. And right now this is a risk free trade here. Going up towards target. There's a minor resistance here. Yo, Bryce, are you risk free here? Or are you still gonna let it run?
I closed that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Amazing stuff. Really like the stream for the GG entry. I didn't give it, but
We called it. That chart.
oh yeah,
That's it.
yep. Oh, yeah, we did call that above 157.50. Yeah. Go up like that. I'm just kind of sad the stream ended. Hey, yes, Bryce, I'm not Bryce. Andre, did you like my my cheat meal?
Talking about the French toast with peanut butter and jelly on it.
And maple syrup. Mmm.
Yeah, it looked good.
You know where I got that from?
Sounds good.
You know where I got that from?
TikTok or something? I don't know what.
Bro,
Oh, the
this
rock.
is the most
He said,
wholesome video ever. Like this is the best. Like this is the most student video I ever watched in my life. Where is it? This one.
Start with the Terramana Tequila Blanco. Couple of ounces. That's way more than a couple of ounces. I failed math, so it's okay. I always round up.
Well, pretty much.
The
we
cheat
had-
meal I gotta have milk chocolate. Milk chocolate. I'm not a big semi-sweet fan because it's a little, there's a little bitterness quality to it. So I got my favorite WrestleMania moment was would have to be the very first.
Fuck, bro. This,
Probably like really, yes. All right, here comes. Here comes the syrup. Here we go.
bro.
Um,
I watched the whole thing while eating my my French toast that day.
you ever seen Kevin Hart and him like do the interviews together?
Is it funny? Yeah, I mean, I'm guessing
Oh my
it'll be
god,
hilarious.
it's hilarious. It's so fun. Kevin Hart's like The Rock's
Dude.
breath always stinks.
They are hilarious, bro. They are
It's
hilarious.
funny.
I gotta watch it. Sounds funny.
Bryce, where you got runner set to?
I just went for 20 pips on my runner.
Nice. Where'd you close half at? 8 pips?
No, I had 10.
Oh, nice. Oh, you got on a wick. Lovely.
I was in this trade and I got like 1 pip. I saw the nipple wick on the 15 and I closed full. I already had a winner for the day. I took half risk. I was like, you know what? Nipple wick, up a pip, not even worth it. I don't want to shit my pants. So I closed for 1 pip. And I'm done for the day now.
It's all good.
It went from a
Uh-oh.
layup. It went from a layup to like a contested and one. I was like, you know what? I'm done.
Hey guys, look at gold.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh. 15 closest bullish here.
Watch out, Andre. Don's trying to give you FOMO. It's a test.
No, I'm looking for buys above, I think 737 here.
It's a test.
Did you take those DJ trades, Andre?
I did not. Nope.
Oh, you didn't?
I was
No.
I was cheering you on though. You heard
Oh,
me.
okay. Yeah. I thought you were you were into.
I got the gold buys, so I'm probably done for the day.
Oh, okay. Good discipline.
Do you enter on the high of the breakout candle or close after the next wick higher low has formed? Depending on the situation, sometimes I enter on the opening of the candle. And in some situations, I usually wait for a wick to be created. Or I answer off the break of the previous candle high. Yeah. It depends on the situation. It really depends. It depends on how big the wick is, how big the ranges go up. You know, a lot of things that come into play in those situations. Well, on GG here, if I would have, I mean, I would have answered an opening here, right? That's where I get the thing at, the entry at. Hope you guys learned about gaps today, though, right? This gap gang so-called filled here. Just clean trap looking left. All that is, right? All that is. Was there a fireworks explosion in your city? I saw a pretty bad one last week. Fireworks explosion? That was California, I think, right? That was in your city, right, Bryce?
What
Or
happened?
LA?
What happened?
That fireworks explosion in the house.
Oh, I don't know anything about that. I don't watch the news.
Oh shit. I know I heard about it, but I don't know where it is. I forgot.
It was in California, but I'm not sure what city.
Oh.
It was
Okay,
a
right.
little fireworks storage.
Oh, Ontario? Oh, right, Ty's wrong. You got the wrong Ontario, man. There's two Ontarios. There's Canada, Ontario, Canada, and then there's California, Ontario, which is is it a city or a street? What is it? I don't know what it is, but yeah, you got the wrong Ontario, my friend.
Actually, it might have not been 10 because I typed 10 in the tool, you know, in the and it went off. So I assumed it was 10.
Hey, if you guys got these gold buys here, DJ buys, at least you can move your stops to break even here, make it a risk-free trade for whoever's supposed to got in. Yeah. I think you're up like a good, if you got on here, good like 11 pips, but if you're on a little later on the break of the highs or something, you're up like a good 8 pips here. We're approaching that minor resistance. There's no reason you should lose on this trade. Worst case, it should hit break even, right? But overall, it should look to continue up towards the target at 150.937. Nice. Already close to percent. Nice, good stuff. I think that gap has been filled now, right? That so-and-so called gap that people are waiting for has been filled. If I'm not wrong. Yep. And this is where people have the sell limit orders now, right? People will try to catch the gap, and then they'll try to catch a sell after the gap. They'll set a sell limit here. This is what I used to do, 100%. And the only reason why it looked like it's going to come down here is because look left, there's a resistance here, right? It's about being logical. So that is 0.5% gain. Nice, good stuff, Rust. 347, good stuff.
Yo, what's up? How y'all doing this morning?
What up, Zerx? What's going on?
Shoot, man, I'm just waking up. I woke up and saw this setup on GJ. Then I was like, oh done, y'all see it too.
Are you in it?
I'm in it. I woke up. As soon as I woke up, I saw it.
Yeah, it was a pretty solid vibe. My stream actually ended when I saw this account close. Like, this is a part my Wi-Fi disconnected. So,
Mm,
oh yeah, I called it. You're in the thing, right? So you saw it anyways. So,
yeah, I saw it.
yeah, good.
For this trade, would you see that minor resistance with support now all
Yep.
the way? Would you have went break even on at the hit tap that?
That's where I went break even. 150 840-ish. That resistance right there looking left. That's where I went break even.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you take a look? I got you. Invalid charts. Oh, the wrong link. Enter sell when 3-minute close below support. Yep, pretty clean. Yeah, pretty clean. We broke back into the range. I should come down and fill the range here. Yep. Coming down towards 737, 731-ish. Looks pretty clean. What's your entry and your stop loss though, right? I'm guessing your stop loss is this kind of high here, and your target is gonna be this support, if I'm not wrong. It's a pretty good trade scenario though. Good eye. Price broke below is 1 hour support. Looks like it wants to continue down here. So I think the buys are done for a day at least. I think we might just range in this area for the rest of the day from 1728 to 1732, but we might get a last move coming down to fill the range here. The very last one. Mr. Banks in the house, what's going on, man? What's going on? If I'm not wrong, oh, there's a, yeah, okay, 5-minute restart replay. Perfect. Alright, so how's your trades been the past 3 weeks?
Good. I've been I mean, I did well, but I overtraded last week.
Wait, I can barely hear you. What happened?
Did you hear me? No.
Barely. Good. Had 2 winning trades done for a day. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. So this 1 hour count I think closed bullish, right? It's 8:30 here. The 30-minute count closed bullish, right? So we did reach a minor resistance here, but I do believe we have more range to continue up here towards the target at 150, 950 or 940-ish. So I believe once you get a flip here, we should continue up towards the target. But this trade should be risk-free, and you can look to move your stops up to wherever this low is gonna be created here. So let's say this count flips bullish here, like so, and the wick is like this. Then you can move your stops to this current low here, right? Instead of down here. So you'd be in profit pretty much. Because price shouldn't break that low after it wants to drive up. And then obviously, I don't think buys above here will be that clean. Because buys above here will be very choppy. I think the better buys would be above this resistance right here. Above the 150 mark. Going up towards this resistance here at 150, 350. I think that's a cleaner range. It's similar to what you have right here pretty much. About a 20 pip range, but I'll avoid this and I'll catch this, right? That'll make perfect sense. That's no, this is the go, and then this is the go, right?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I did well last week, but I traded a lot. Like I need to calm it down a little bit.
Yeah, you're not taking double red aces no more?
I entered a lot of trades. I mean, I did well, but I entered way. I was just really stressful. I traded a lot, but
I mean,
many
they weren't
positions did you enter, you think?
impulsive trades, are they?
some of them. But I mean, I felt like they were good entries, but they weren't like red aces. You know what I'm saying? Like they just weren't great. They weren't all great. They weren't all good. Like but I had more winners than losers, so I ended up doing really well actually. But it's like I'm not happy with it because I think I like made too much, or you know what I'm saying? Like I shouldn't have made that much.
Hey, at least you know what bad profits and good profits are.
Yeah.
At least you know the difference between the two, right?
But yeah. Before I guess I wouldn't care, but now I'm like I need to like calm it down a little bit.
I mean, what was your growth? Like 30% or something in a week?
Yeah, it was like 35%.
Not bad. I mean that's good. That's good, but yeah.
But it wasn't from 2 or 3 trades a day. That's why I'm saying.
Yeah, the unexperienced traders will be like, wow, that's amazing, right? But that's not what you want. Well, you obviously want profits, right? You obviously want good growth in your accounts, but every now and then it will happen where you have those huge weeks, right? But it's not like something you can probably keep it for a consecutive amount of weeks, and that's what we're talking about here. I think it goes on continue down here, man. I think the count close below the third minute close below the support here. Kind of looks like it wants to create a top wick, wants to come down to fill this range here. Back in the range we go.
It's the same thing like when I played poker, you know, like when I first started, like I remember some hands I played where like I had aces and I won like a huge pot, like you know, it was like 2 or 3K or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then, but as your experience, you think back, you're like, damn man, if I was like, I should have only won like 1,000 off that hand, but because I played it bad, it's called like overplaying your hand. Like basically, you don't care what anybody has, you just like bet your whole stack just because you have aces. But like an experienced player kind of like navigates through the hand, and like it's like, damn, I would have never made that much. You know, it was like beginners. You know, it's called like overplaying your hand. You know, it's kind of like over leveraging and stuff like that.
How many trades did you take? I think Andre asked that earlier.
A lot.
Like how many?
Alice.
Huh? Like 50 or
Alice?
something.
Oh, in a week? Oh no. Oh, 50 trades? Bro, that's how much I take in 2 months maybe?
I thought you said 15.
50.
God damn.
I know it's bad. That's why I was like, man, after the week was over, I was so glad the weekend came because I don't know. I guess it's like personality too. I have a like addictive personality, so it kind of like it's like it happens to like everything I do. So it's like I just have to like calm down, you know. It's like
It happens
Bryce,
though every now
hop
and
on the
then.
stream. Bryce hopped on the stream to get around some good discipline.
yeah, it helped. It did like when I was on the stream, yes, I didn't take as many trades at all.
Yeah, you come to the streets, man. You get the discipline here, right?
Yeah, and it helps too. Like when I see, oh, he's not in this trade, or when you know, like okay, maybe it's not a great trade, you know. But I think that's where the poker kind of
Mindset
background
comes in.
helps me because I'm okay with taking a bunch of losses because it's like as long as like my winners are more than my losses, like
You're managing risk.
Emotionally, it's really stressful, but I can kind of like keep it under control. Like I don't go crazy like taking like really bad trades after a loss, you know. So it's like.
So what you're trying to say is you took 50 double red aces trades.
Yeah, so basically I won, you know, like 60 or 70% of them. You know what I'm saying? Like I didn't win a whole bunch of them. Like I won more than I lost, but it's not the way. I know it's not the right way. So it's so stressful, man. like,
Hey, it could be the right way if you make it the right way, and what that means is if you keep doing that and for a certain amount of months it's profitable. I mean, it could be the right way, right, for you.
yeah,
But the question is, can you keep can you overtrade and be alive in this game still? That's the question.
yeah, it's not sustainable, man. Like if I want another week like that, I think I'm mentally somewhere along the line you're gonna break and like do something stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah. I watch you, I watch your Instagram, and just like you're just chilling with 2-3 trades, and your accounts are blowing up. And I'm just like, man, you make it look so easy.
Hey, I'm taking a lot more trades this month though, I'll say.
Yeah. Samurai, how you been doing? You over there?
Yeah, I'm here. I've been doing good, man. Good to see you.
You too, man.
You were going aggro, going crazy for the last week.
Yeah, last week was pretty aggro. But at least I'm not happy with it. I said it to my friends, like, man, I did good, but I made fine, like, with that count, but I'm not happy with it.
Entry has been tapped here on GJ on that runner position. Rose that got in with Bryce.
Yep.
Unfortunately.
Stop that.
Yep. 1 hour flip back bearish as well. Looks like he wants to come back in the range here. Now it's when it's gonna get choppy. Now it's when you don't want to take any more trades. For GJ at least, right? Because now there's no volume there left. Right? So you see how the gap fill? We've came up to fill the gap, right? The gap, the clean traffic. There's a resistance right here on my broker at least. There was, right? This is where the gap ended. And price rejected that area. Back in my good old days, this is where I'll have sell limits at. I would fill the gap and then have sell limits here anticipating price to continue back down after it fills the gap. And that was the word that everyone was talking about. Everyone's like, yeah, once price fills the gap, it will flip. It'll go the other way after. So that's where I usually have my sell limits at. I mean, in this case, it would have worked out, right? But obviously, I don't trade that no more. That's a whole different Don. That's the 18-year-old Don. So if we pop back in the range here, I think that's a fake out, man. The daily is still bearish, right? Weekly is still bearish here. Or still bearish. So if we flip back in the range here and we close back inside the range, we can come down and fill the range for about a 20 pip range coming down here. Powell speaking in 30 minutes. Yeah. And if I'm not wrong, I think oh yeah. What's he talking about today? Bank innovation at an online event hosted by the Bank for International Settlements. Should bring some volume in. I think GG might be done today, but I don't think gold's done yet. I think gold might have another move in its hand. The question is, what's gonna happen at the support here, right? Because this is a minor support level. I want to see if price respects this or not. Me personally, I want buys, but let's see. Buys would be ideal. Above 1738-ish, 1737. Let's see. But I think what gold is doing right now is creating a range here, right? And this is when you usually want to stay out, and you usually want to catch a breakout, right? So this is their support form right here, I'll say, and this is your resistance right here. Resistance created, price came down to create support. This is now the range. I'll say once you break out of the range here, you can get more buys going up. So that's going to be above at this level here at 1738, going up towards the 1742 mark. That's a 4-pip range, right? But you might like trying to get caught in this range. I know it's a big range, it's a very triple range, but the better trades will be outside the range. Right. I'll say game buys in this area is more of anticipation that we're gonna break out. Because price create low, once it retests the highs again, which is this high, it should break out to the upside. So wait for a closure above and then look for buys going up. Be more ideal. What's your day, bro, Marco?
What'd you say?
Is your day done?
Yeah, my day's done. Got a winner and a break even. 2 trades on a Monday. It's kind of a lot for me.
I think
I was actually gonna ask you, do you trade Sunday at all ever?
sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, not yesterday though. Yesterday was pretty chalked off the rip.
Yeah.
GG came down like 60 pips in the opening. So that was a move for Asian, right? So sounds like XRP started on a 1 hour. Yeah, yo, we broke this down earlier. We broke down how XRP is gonna continue up here. Look at the weekly time frame. You had the start replay here,
XRP.
and then you had the discount closure, right? That's clean traffic. The reason I'm looking at XRP because I have holdings in XRP too, but long term, right? I don't really care what happens today or tomorrow, right? I honestly don't give a fuck. But
He's looking at $10.
yeah, hey, if you break above this level here, this monthly start replay, it's gone. It's not continuing up. Look left. I think once you break above this resistance XRP, it should be continuing up towards this
that monthly nipple wick. I don't know.
Ah man. Monthly nipple wick.
I came in just at the right time.
Talking about nipples every time you come back.
Yeah, this is the start replay. This start replay don't lie.
Did that lawsuit get
Yeah, they survived
resolved?
it. They survived it. Yeah.
I remember when it happened. I got rid of all my XRP.
Really? I mean,
Yeah,
even
that
if it
was
did
like
happen,
months
it'll
ago.
go back. Like I think Carl talked about it. It'll go down probably, but they'll still use it in other countries. They'll just rebrand there or whatever.
I think I had like 1K at like 22 cents. I sold it like 40, and then I was like, "Oh, lawsuit, fuck that. I'll just buy again later."
My day done. 5R trade on USD CAD buys. 5 risk. What does that mean? Catch you later, man.
They get like a 5-to-1 RR. That's what that means.
Oh, lawsuit not cleared yet? I thought it was cleared. I thought they survived it. They won the lawsuit. Andre, what time is the workout? Like 9-ish, 9:15?
Yeah, I was gonna say like 9:30 if you're down.
I'll do like 9:15.
For
Yeah,
sure.
9:30, 9:15. Leg day, wall set day. Hey, Franco XRP. Yeah, I think you know about depression. Yeah, I think so too because if that's the case, then it makes sense we've been in this range for how long now? For the past couple of months here, for the past 4 or 5 months. So I think once you get a breakout above this resistance here on a monthly time frame, it should be gone. This is just a range here. It should be gone. I think if it breaks, if they make the lawsuit, if it works out for them, then we're probably gonna break above this resistance. Look left, that's clean traffic above there, and then potentially back to the $3 mark or whatever it was, the 199 mark, $2 mark. Bitcoin started playing a monthly time frame on a weekly time frame. Oh man, gold here. It is. Man, it's gonna be a long time to get in our trade. I think. Looking at our hour or so at least. NYSE open at 9:30. I think you have 10 a.m. Chicago open. I think that's when Vaughn will come in again because right now we're just at this range here, and it closed within this area too, right? This resistance and this support gonna be pretty choppy. How's everyone's day today, though?
Amazing.
I'm talking about chat. But yes, an answer too. Yes, an answer too.
Yeah, my name's not everyone. Fuck me.
You did as good, Bryce? You took one trade today?
I had two. I had one in Asian.
Oh, Asian. Okay.
Yeah.
The cells?
What was it? Let me look. It's so long.
I know where it is.
It was a quick 10 pips though. It was so yeah. So.
Yep. Nice. Good man, gonna do some work after this, then go shoot some hoops with my friends. You're Richie, you're oh yeah, I have you on, oh yeah, I'll play with you on Friday. Yeah, that's dope. I wanna play some basketball too. There's a hearing 3 days ago. The judge was just more Ripple said that's what is optimism at the moment. It basically said only Ripple said its employees can charge selling XRP as a security and no one else. So now there's rumors that it may be listed on exchanges.
I know you take these entries sometimes on GJ, like the fake outs, or
Yeah, I do. Right here myself. Who's that goes at? Oh no, that's good. Yeah, I usually take it like especially like this year wasn't bad. Because prices trading on bearish for the week for a day, it makes sense how this is a fake out here, right? You came back into the range to come down to fill it. It makes perfect sense. But since I took the first buy, I got stopped at break even, by the way. I didn't get my 10 pips, but I took the first buy. I just called it a day.
Right.
That's the point of it. But this makes perfect sense here. Yeah, 30 minute close back in range. Perfect sense.
Yeah, last week I was taking these two. I would be in right now.
Yeah. You'll be in right now? Yeah, this is your fifth trade of the day. Hello, Control FX. Hope you're doing good. What's going on? It's the guy from To Go. We were talking on IG this weekend. We were. What's your username? Let me find out. Let me see. I get a lot of DMs a day, man. I talk to a lot of people, so. I actually wanted to check something real quick. There's the timestamps. Let me see this. Yeah, it's great because I have someone doing timestamps now. So if you guys want to go back into the streams later on in the future, you guys can go back to when I break things down, when I talk about certain things, right, during the stream. So that's pretty dope. And you don't gotta go. I mean, when I edit my videos, I don't gotta go and scroll through my YouTube again. I can just kind of. Hey Marco, by the way, did I mess up your content on Friday by not posting the VOD? Hello, Marcos?
What's up?
I was gonna say that messed up your content on Friday by not posting my VOD.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of a fraud. I was just looking at the top shots.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, look, the LeBron 3-pointer. I don't get it. Like, how is the highest sale 70K but the lowest sale 700?
Because the higher the serial number. Yeah,
Gotcha.
number 1 or something. Number 23 is yours number. Whatever it is, probably went for more.
That
Again, Marco, like Gary Vee says, 24 hours of homework.
I'm trying to do my homework on stream right now.
Thanks for Wednesdays, guys. You guys are awesome. Appreciate it. Yeah, I might hop off very soon, guys. Not much I'm looking for anymore.
That was a super successful Monday.
Yeah. I'm more happy with the case that the first trade I took today, it was half risk. Gas to Nucci. How did I even? Oh, you. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I remember you. Oh yeah, we talked about getting how getting 10 pips is easy, but the challenging part is being able to do it consistently and not take around trades in between. We talk about having the same routine, same plan every single day, right? Yeah. Yep. That's how that is. Hey bro, when we have market gaps over the weekend, are those always clean candles or are they basically small and choppy price action? It's clean candles. And that's a perfect example of it today, right? So GJ for in this case, this is the gap. Right about here. Right, price came up to fill the gap. That was just replace a gap with a clean traffic candle. That's all that is. Alright. On some brokers, you might not see this. It might look like this. Right, because there's a gap there. But some brokers, you'll see the candles. All that is just clean traffic, though. That's all that is. Mike Ross, got a trader. Let's see. When does part 2 last? How long does part 2 last for? I'm hopping up at 9. Same thing. Cause part 2 was just cause my Wi-Fi decided to die on me earlier. So entered an impulse entry after I saw we were rejecting this zone on the lower time frames. 4 pip stops for 13 pips. Nice. Closed 80% at 10 pips. Move stops to break even when we broke 15-minute lows. That's a good trade. Yep. Very nice job of you. Me personally, I wouldn't have gone in here. My entry would have been this to break it that low, so you would have got the better entry in this case, right? That would have been entry, that would have been my stop loss, and that would have been my target around the support. Pretty good trade. GBP AUD Beast Killer 1 2 3 4. Nice. Good stuff, Mike. They might call it a day though. Not much there. I think GG goes in a range in this area for a bit. We're approaching this support here, right? And then you have this resistance here right there, so it's just in the range, nothing much here. And then you also have GJ, however, is coming back in the range though. I think GJ looks a lot cleaner, especially once the 1 hour candle closes bearish here back in the range, because we're highly likely gonna continue down. You have a support right here. You have a resistance right over here. You got a false breakout. We're closing back inside the range now, so now price should come down to fill the range, coming down towards the next support like this. This is what you should be expecting here on GJ within the next hour or so. All right. Other than that, I think I'm done for the day, guys. And I'm gonna call it a day. All right. So take it easy, guys. Hope you guys had a great trading day, a successful one. Hope you guys manage risks. And catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern.
Later,
right.
brother.
Peace and love. Peace and love.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace
Stay
out. Peace
safe.
out.
Have a good week.
Bye, take
Good
it
week.
easy.
Good week. Peace. Leg day. Leg day.